There's a lot of bar and restaurant owners out there that I speak to that usually have a really, really big email list, a really, really big list of people that have come to their bar or their restaurant before. Usually, the reason for them having such a substantial list of thousands and thousands of email addresses in a lot of cases is because they use things like online booking systems. And usually, most online booking systems, they ask for often an email, but sometimes a phone number as well, which is another bonus. But often these lists of emails, of contact details, they just sit there unused, completely unused. But the main reason for that, I think, is because often restaurant owners really thirsty. They don't really know how best to approach a list of emails, how best to use email to market their restaurant. So they kind of just leave it and put it on the back burner and don't do anything with it. But often as well, the other problem you've got with emails, of course, is that the open rates tend to be very, very low. So you often don't hit enough people in the list to make it seem like it's worth your while. So there's quite an issue of inefficiency there. But what a lot of bar and restaurant owners don't realise is they can actually upload that email list, that contact list to Facebook and create what's called a custom audience. And all a custom audience is it's an audience that enables you through your advertising to target people that have got Facebook accounts that are linked to the list that you upload to Facebook. So therefore, that enables you to ensure that all the people that are on your email list, you can now hit directly with ads. So you can hit them with offers, incentives to join your messenger channel, and give them reasons to come back to the restaurant for that all-important next visit. The other thing you can also do is if you've got an idea of who your best customers are in that list. So, for example, the people that really spend the most money, the people that come in on a Friday with loads of friends and, buy all the most expensive drinks and, really pig out on all the food, have dessert, all of that stuff. If you know that there's customers in that list that regularly or have done that or behave in those ways that are positive to your business, then what you can also do is you can create what's called a lookalike audience. So what a lookalike audience is a way that you can target ads at people that are similar to a list of people that you upload. So much like you upload the custom audience of people, you upload a list of email addresses, this time of your favorite customers, the customers who have got the traits that you like. And what Facebook will do is Facebook will look at all of the behaviors of those people that you've uploaded and compare them with all of the other people in that particular location on its database, and it will find people with very, very similar behaviours and demographics to your favourite customers. What that means is they're much more likely to behave in the way that your favourite customers behave. So when you're serving ads to those people, the efficiency of those ads is going to be much, much better, because you can be sure that there's a much higher likelihood that those people are not just going to visit your restaurant, but they're also going to spend in the higher bracket